Good morning. Next article is diffusion. We know that when the number of molecules per unit volume or concentration of molecules in various regions of the given gas is not same. There is transport of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration, and the phenomena of transportation of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration is known as diffusion. Let us consider this is one region, this is second region, this is third region. Distance between these two regions is lambda. Distance between these two regions is also lambda. This region has n number of molecules per unit volume or concentration of molecules is n here. If this is higher concentration region, the concentration of molecules here will be n plus dn by dx into lambda. Dn by dx is the concentration gradient, rate of change of concentration of molecules per unit distance. Dimensions of distance will get cancelled. This will be corresponding to the concentration of molecules in the higher concentration region. Similarly, this distance is lambda, this distance is also lambda. Concentration of molecules in this region will be n minus dn by dx into lambda. Now, number of molecules moving per unit area, per unit time in one direction will be 1 by 6 c. N is already there. It is going to come there. And therefore, number of net number of molecules which are transported from higher concentration level to lower concentration level will be 1 by 6 c times n plus dn by dx into lambda minus n minus dn by dx into lambda. This will give net number of molecules get transported from higher concentration to lower concentration in the given gas. Let us simplify this. So, this will be 1 by 6 n c plus 1 by 6 dn by dx c lambda minus 1 by 6 n c minus plus 1 by 6 dn by dx c lambda. This term is 1 by 6 nc, this term is 1 by 6 nc, this is minus term, this is plus term. These two terms will get cancelled with each other. These two terms are identical. Let us add these two terms. That will be equal to 2 times 1 by 6 dn by dx c lambda. This is nothing but 1 by 3 C lambda dN by dx, equation number 1. Number of molecules transported, number of molecules transported from higher concentration to lower concentration is given by equation 1. We are interested in diffusion. Diffusion in gases is defined as ratio of number of molecules transported from higher concentration to lower concentration per unit area per unit time to the concentration gradient, and therefore D is a ratio of this 1/3 C lambda dN by dx divided by dN by dx. Diffusion is a ratio of number of molecules transported from higher concentration to lower concentration per unit time to the concentration gradient. Concentration gradient in the numerator and denominator will get cancelled, and what left for D is equal to 1/3 C lambda, equation number 2. And so the diffusion in a gas due to non-uniform concentration of the molecules inside the gas is given by the equation D is equal to 1/3 C lambda. Earlier we found this coefficient of viscosity as 1/3 of m C lambda. Let us write it somewhere here. And this D is 1/3 C lambda. Okay. This is about diffusion, the process of diffusion taking place inside a gas due to non-uniform concentration of the molecules. So it is so simple. Hope you got it. Thank you.